Hi everyone, welcome to chefbibis.com. Today we are going to cook morel mushroom with chicken and bell peppers. One of my friend gave me some morel mushroom and I actually never tried this morel mushroom, and this time I cooked with some chicken and some peppers like stir fry, and it came out so good. If you get a chance to buy morel mushroom sometimes, please try this recipe. If you don't have morel mushroom, please try with any of your favorite mushroom, but please do try this recipe, and it is so tasty. And please do share, like and comment to the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For that detailed recipe, please go to our website chefbibis.com or click the link we have provided in the description box. Please share our recipes, and let's get started.